I want to show you guys how to clean up your car seat. Okay, first you have to open lah. Okay, so first you have to go to the back. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I broke it. I broke it! No. It's normal. It's a bit loud, but you have to go with the floor. So you go back again. Oh my god. My soul left my body for my minute. So this one you can pull out, and this you can get two. Okay, you can go out with the. You can put out the cushion for you to wash, and easy for you to wash lah. So this you also can wash this. You have to put out the fabric like this. It's easy for you. There is a button under this one. Okay, so if you want to install, just click. But for this, this one you have to wait for the part 2, so I can do some research how to pull out this one. Okay, but you have to wait. Stay tuned.